Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is Heart Rate, ECG, Humidity, Temperature Monitoring on ESP8266 IoT using Raspberry Pi Pico and Thingspeak Cloud and SMS Alert. So here we are using 5 volts power supply module, Raspberry Pi Pico. So we are using total 4 sensors: LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, ECG sensor. Those are ADC sensors: ADC 026, ADC 127, ADC 2, ADC 228 pin, and alarm it is connected to the 17th pin. Heartbeat sensor it is connected to the 18th pin. GSM for SMS alert, like we will get the alert on temperature alert, heartbeat alert, we will get the alerts, okay, on the mobile phone. And ESP8266 serial 1, serial communication 2, and serial communication 1. So here we are getting the data onto the heart temperature and humidity and heartbeat monitoring and ECG monitoring. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. So we are using 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So Raspberry Pi Pico board we are using, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 IC, 16x2 LCD display, and GSM SIM 800L we are using. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL SIM card, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card for only SMS alert onto the mobile phone. And LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and ECG sensor you need to connect onto your body, and heartbeat clip clip type heartbeat sensor and LCD. If temperature crosses 50 and above, alarm on, SMS alert, and it continuously sending the data to Thingspeak cloud. And as well as humidity, ECG there is no alert, heartbeat 95 and above, heartbeat alert, humidity 40 and above, alert. So let's we start for the power supply, and you need to use the mobile data and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot internet on. Wi-Fi hotspot internet on and mobile data on. Wi-Fi hotspot connected. So first let's start with power supply. Patient health monitoring using Raspberry Pi Pico. Heartbeat initializing. Wi-Fi connected. Wi-Fi hotspot, and it is checking the Wi-Fi hotspot internet. Mobile hotspot is also on. So here it will come the Wi-Fi hotspot device name. Yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot device name came. Okay, Wi-Fi hotspot connected. So Wi-Fi hotspot connected. Now T for temperature, ECG, and here heartbeat also continuously coming the value. (92). Okay, T for temperature, temperature 55, sorry, temperature 60 and above. Okay, sending data to Thingspeak cloud. Now it will update onto the Thingspeak. Yeah, it is updated. Temperature data and humidity, heartbeat, ECG values updated. Yeah, if temperature crosses 60, and it will send the alert to mobile phone. Yeah, temperature alert. Temperature crossed 61, over body temperature alert. So now I'll go for the humidity. Okay, sending data to Thingspeak. humidity 32. Yeah, values are updated. Now time is 6:14. Time is 6, okay, 14. Power supply board, GSM module, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, humidity 40 and above, SMS alert, ECG module, and this is heartbeat module, Wi-Fi module, alarm, Raspberry Pi Pico board, 16x2 LCD display. Okay, and we are updating the data onto the Thingspeak and we will get the alert message. So it will continuously updated onto the Thingspeak cloud. Yeah, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.